Hey y'all, welcome to Sean Meadows, the place where we're flipping this 1960s, 70s office building to our home. Today, what I'm planning on doing is putting some more trim up on the ceiling. And like I was saying in the last video, possibly putting some drywall inside of the can never think of what it's called. The dry cleaners is what I was going to say. The laundry room. So come join us, and we're glad that you're here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Click that notification bell. Give some thumbs up. Even give thumbs down. But say something in the comments. We'd like to talk to you. Let's get to work. Sorry for doing that so much.
Stop! Look!
What?
Why? It's way off.
It wasn't the other day.
Okay, maybe you grabbed the wrong one.
No.
Okay. Good. You alright?
No miss. Yeah.
8, 9,
10, 11.
10, 11. Okay.
12. 12. It's 12.
We'll buy 5 and see what happens.
You know, but see, look, I'll show you. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna do this.
You want to put a hole in the wall?
Well, that's okay. We're gonna redo it. I'll move this out of the way and stand on it. I'm not tall enough to reach up there.
We're not going to move all these boxes
Yet. We will.
Because we're going to have to move it again here soon anyway. It's actually good it's there in the middle of the room. That way we can start on one side and then move them to the other side.
Yeah. But most of it's flooring. And then this is a counter. So
Cabinet.
Counter cabinet, whatever. So we use most of the flooring to put down the flooring, and we put the cabinet over here in the kitchen, and that'll be out of the way. So we're hoping. I just wanted to say this, y'all. I know you probably get tired of me talking, but we're hoping that we can start like setting up the house by January, maybe February. Not saying we're going to be moved in then, but like have the kitchen done, start putting the chair in, the bed. I don't want to make a date because my wife has made a date since we've been here, and we've been here almost 2 years, and every date she's made, we have surpassed. I don't want to make a date. So what I'm trying to say is hopefully around January or February, we have the flooring down, we have most of the kitchen built. That way we can start putting the recliner in here, all that. We'll get the pipes fixed. One of the biggest things that we're having a problem with right now is we have to fix the pipes, the water. We cut it on. There's a big leak under the house, and the people left a mess under the house, so we cleaned it up too. But they're telling for snakes, armadillos, or because armadillo went underneath the house, and I don't know if there's any snakes under there. And I know there's a bunch of spiders because I went under there and we said hello, and the spider said, "Thank you for coming in. I will not bite you if you leave me alone."
And we have
so
hecka of.
I might have to cut a new hole in the skirting to fix the pipe, and I don't know. Just wanted to give you all a little update of why this is in the way. My wife's new goal is being here in April. I'm not setting a goal, so I haven't set a goal since the beginning. Yeah, so we're trying to get this stuff done. There will be completed. It's not completed because we got to put trim and we got to put paint, but it is completed on the sanding and the mudding. So that's a good thing. And if you haven't checked out the last video, go and check it out. I think it's a pretty good one. And if you think I'm crazy, remember, we're tinfoil heads. Did you hear that? Me either. Oh, wait. Hey!
Can you reach?
I can reach it. I'm going to say this is 42.
5/8.
Yeah. There are things that we done that eventually that we will go back and revisit. You know, like we're doing this right now, but it doesn't mean it's gonna stay like this forever. And do something else with the ceiling. You know, we don't. Who knows? We are planning on getting a new roof too, but we need some moolah for that.
Yes.
Wow. That's it.
Okay, where are you at now? Okay. Graceful. Look straight.
Nuh-uh.
It's going.
No, it's gonna break right there. Well, it's a piece of trash because it broke my daggum trim. Okay, daggum. Cry about what? I might have to do something more than once. Okay. I want to cry before I go to bed every night because of the daggum leaks. And now I got something. I'm just sitting in my recliner and looking up and saying, oh, how I messed up again. Until we fix it. Like I said a minute ago, probably do something else different with the ceiling. And probably a year. I can see us right here. We'd be like sitting here going, you know what? Let's fix the ceiling. Like, I just fixed it a year ago.
I like the master window we have to take out and put back in.
Oh my Lord. Did you hear that?
But a lot of it's demo. You like demo.
But you know what? I like demo when it comes to me breaking stuff. I can't break the window. I left money in there on accident. Smells good in here. I want to get stuff done.
All right, guys. So we are going to finish this laundry wall today. I just have to put the last piece of sheetrock, mud and tape it. And yeah, I'll sand it either tonight or tomorrow and re-tape or re-mud it. And then I'll re-mud it and then sand it again. And we'll just have to paint it and we're done with this wall. We also have to put a bunch of trim around here too. So there's that to make it look all finished. So because these are 2x2 studs, I had to actually put some extra wood so that this light fixture wouldn't be too far out, because it was going to be like at least an inch too far up, too far out. And now it's perfectly flush with the drywall. So yeah, we'll see how it looks in a minute. All right, guys, so this is where we're at with this project. We'll come back to it whenever it dries. And I know I'm cutting you short, but Justin is not here, unfortunately. He's at work. I didn't want it not to end. We did get all this stuff done. Now I just got to do this side and we'll be done with the trim for the ceiling. We'll have to caulk and paint. But yeah, thank you guys for coming back and watching. Until next time, shalom, y'all.